Flexso is one of the largest independent SAP implementation partners in Belgium. On top of the Portal on Device framework, we have built some additional features that we will demonstrate in this video. First, log on to the portal using our tablet. Depending on the device used to access SAP Portal, a different portal framework is used. Since we access the portal for this demo using a tablet, the mobile portal framework is used, including a mobile portal logon page developed by Flexso. First, we browse the content available in the mobile portal framework. This is the home role. Another standard feature of the Portal framework, Portal on Device framework, is the options menu. It contains features to refresh the page or to log off and log on again. The navigation button is a custom button developed by Flexso. It allows direct access to all portal roles by the end user. These roles can be specific mobile roles containing mobile content only, or standard portal roles also containing web content. Using the favorites menu, which is a standard menu, we can access the user's portal favorites. In this case, as an example, we access standard web page composer content pages from the favorites menu. Using favorites and the navigation button, we can effectively access all content available to the user in the normal portal framework, also from our mobile portal framework. The search functionality allows us to access search providers set up in the portal from the mobile framework. For example, search documents in KM. Finally, the More Applications page allows us to access applications, mobile web applications available in the Portal on Device framework. As an example, in this case, we access the Flexso Employee Services application. This application contains scenarios for a who is who and a personal profile application. As an example, using the Portal on Device framework, we access the who is who application and we browse for our colleagues in the company. Once we found the colleague we were looking for, we can access his details using the action button. This demo shows us that Portal on Device can be used to centrally access all mobile-enabled web applications in our company. Another example is a personal profile application, allowing us to retrieve our personal data from the SAP HR backend system. Different info types are shown, and we can even update our own information directly in the backend system. In the next demo, we will demonstrate how we can access and publish information and content using Web Page Composer for both web users and mobile users. In this case, we log on with our mobile demo user using web access, using a laptop. We browse the intranet pages created using Web Page Composer and available to us in our portal. Next to this, we also have the Flexso News tab available. This tab contains a dynamic list developed by Flexso containing multiple dynamic news items. These news items have been created and published using Web Page Composer. Currently, since we are accessing the dynamic list using web access, they are rendered for web browser access. Now we log on with the same mobile user using Portal on Device framework in our tablet. Using the navigation button, we browse to the same Flexso News role. This role again contains the same Flexso developed dynamic list with news items. However, since we are accessing the dynamic list using Portal on Device, it is now rendered in a pixel perfect mobile way using HTML5 and mobile jQuery. We have demonstrated so far that we can access the same news items using both web and mobile access. Now, as an example, let's publish an additional news item to the dynamic list. We log on with our Content Manager user and browse to the Web Page Composer content library. In the dynamic list folder, we will publish an additional news item. We can also edit existing news items using Web Page Composer. Flexso has developed its own content types, but the same principle may apply to all standard Web Page Composer content types with a limited extension. Let's create a new news item. Using Web Page Composer, we complete all the data of the news item. Two checkboxes are available. They determine whether the news item is published to only the mobile, only the web, or both mobile and web versions of the dynamic list. Once the item is saved, we log off again and we log on again with our mobile demo user. We will now verify that the published news item is effectively available to the mobile demo user. We can see that it is available. We have now published a single news item and it is available in the web version of the dynamic list. Now let's verify with the mobile demo user using our tablet that the news item is also available using the mobile version of the portal. We browse again using navigation to the Flexso News role and we see that the news item is also available here. So with a single publishing action, we can publish news items to both the mobile portal framework and world and the web framework and world. For more information on our Portal on Device solutions and other mobile solutions, please visit our website on flexso.com.